This video is a review of Softbank Group's fiscal year 2024 third quarter financial results, period from April 2024 to December 2024. Softbank Group Corp is a Japanese multinational conglomerate holding company. It's best known for its investments in technology, telecommunications, and internet-related businesses. Masayoshi Son is the founder, chairman, and CEO. He's known for being a bold and aggressive investor, especially in tech startups. Softbank is most famous for its Vision Fund that has backed major tech companies like Alibaba, Uber, and Arm, which is a UK-based chip designer. Recently, Softbank has been focusing more on AI and semiconductor-related investments, especially after Arm's IPO success in 2023. Softbank Corp, the telecommunications and IT services company, is one of the subsidiaries of Softbank Group. FY2024 Q3 highlights. The key indicator, NAV, net asset value, is just under 30 trillion yen, and LTV, loan-to-value ratio, an indicator of safety, is in the 12% range. Both are stable and at levels that are not problematic at all. Cash on hand has also increased further over the past 3 months, reaching 5 trillion yen. Net income for the 9 months from April to December was 636.2 billion yen, an improvement of 1.1 trillion yen compared to the same period last year. Additionally, Softbank Group announced new innovations, Stargate and Cristal Intelligence. Key indicators, NAV, LTV, and cash position are all at stable and safe levels. NAV, or net asset value, represents the total value of a company's assets minus its liabilities, and is often used to assess the overall financial health or worth of the company. LTV, or loan-to-value, is a financial ratio that shows the level of a company's debt compared to the value of its assets, and is used to measure financial risk or stability. Cash position refers to the amount of cash or liquid assets a company has on hand, which reflects its ability to meet short-term obligations and handle unexpected expenses. All three indicators show that the current financial status is stronger than before. Historical NAV. Net asset value figure was one of the highest in Softbank Group's history. The situation is heavily influenced by Arm's market capitalization, but investments in the AI business are also progressing steadily. Key changes in cash position. The increase in cash at the end of December is partly due to an 800 billion yen expansion of a margin loan facility backed by Arm shares, as well as an additional 400 billion yen raised through corporate bond issuance. The 2.1 trillion yen shown on the right represents the funds reserved for debt redemption over the next 2 years. As Softbank Group consistently states in financial policy, maintaining this level ensures a high degree of financial safety. Consolidated results. All key figures, including net sales, investment gains, income before tax, and net income, are showing strong results. While revenue is less critical for a holding company, investment gains reached 2.17 trillion yen, an increase of 2.7 trillion yen compared to the same period last year. Income before income tax rose to 1.27 trillion yen, up by over 1 trillion yen year on year, and net income was 636.2 billion yen, an increase of more than 1 trillion yen compared to the previous year, clearly showing significant growth. Although there was a loss of 369 billion yen in the third quarter of fiscal year 2024 alone, the cumulative net income for the third quarter showed a significant increase compared to the previous year. Stargate project. In January 2025, with President Donald Trump at the White House, Masayoshi Son announced the launch of the Stargate project, a massive artificial intelligence infrastructure initiative. This joint venture brings together OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, and MGX, with plans to invest up to $500 billion in AI infrastructure across the United States by 2029. Softbank Group wants to accelerate the development of AI even further through the Stargate project. They hope to quickly build the necessary infrastructure so that OpenAI can offer even more outstanding services. The project will initially involve 4 main partners, Softbank Group and OpenAI as the lead partners, along with Oracle and MGX. Masayoshi Son will serve as the chairman. OpenAI will lead on the operational and technical side, while Softbank Group will take the lead on financial matters. They plan to invest a staggering $500 billion, which is about 75 trillion yen over the next 4 years, starting with an initial $100 billion. As for technology partners, they expect key players to join, global leaders like ARM, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Oracle, working together with OpenAI. Cristal Intelligence. Cristal Intelligence is an advanced enterprise AI platform developed through a partnership between Softbank Group and OpenAI. It is designed to integrate and customize AI solutions for individual enterprises, enabling the creation of AI agents that can perform tasks independently. Softbank Group, ARM, the telecommunications company Softbank Corp, and OpenAI are all working together on this project. Softbank's goal with Cristal Intelligence is to accelerate enterprise adoption of AI agents by securely integrating each company's systems and data. This enables highly customized AI tailored to individual business needs. By leveraging internal data from operations and emails to meeting logs and source code, Cristal Intelligence continuously improves its reasoning capabilities. The result is a transformation toward fully automated business functions across many departments like marketing, finance, engineering, and legal. SB OpenAI Japan. As for the structure to roll out this initiative, OpenAI and Softbank Group will each hold a 50% stake in a joint venture. On the Softbank side, both the holding company Softbank Group and the telecommunications company Softbank Corp will invest. Since Softbank Corp will hold 51% of the shares, the joint venture called SB OpenAI Japan will likely become a consolidated subsidiary of Softbank Corp. With this setup, the goal is to quickly develop services and begin deployment, starting in Japan. The aim is to drive corporate transformation across all industries. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 6,913 yen as of April 15th, and the US dollar stock price is $23.96 as of April 15th. Current PBR is 0.81, and dividend yield is 0.64%. PER comparison isn't possible because the company has recorded losses in recent years and has not disclosed a forecast for its net profit. Compared to the last few years, PBR is lower, which means current stock price is relatively lower, but dividend yield shows that current stock price is relatively higher. Softbank Group's stock price is highly volatile due to the influence of its many subsidiaries' performance, and it is more sensitive to future business prospects than that of other companies, reflecting investor focus on its growth potential and vision. Conclusion. Softbank Group sometimes faces concerns due to its high-risk investment approach and currently heavy reliance on ARM's performance. However, compared to recent years, its business performance has improved. If collaborations with OpenAI, Stargate project, and Cristal Intelligence succeed, Softbank could see substantial returns. Future performance will largely depend on the outcomes of ARM and the Stargate project.